G'day everybody, I'm just setting up the 3 jaw steady rest in the lathe. I'm just going to machine this 50mm pin. Got to take about 1mm off the end over here. As you can see, I'll just maneuver my camera. I'm just setting up the steady rest at present. Just making sure everything's tight. Oh, wrong end. Just nip these up a little bit. And just do a little final adjustment on the, don't want it rubbing too much, but I just got to spray a bit of lubricant around these contact points on the 3-point steady. No worries. Yeah, just taking about a mil off this and then making another cut. Wind that back and stop it. G'day everybody, I've just finished machining that boom pin for the mezzanine crane here at the men's shed, and I had to take about, originally I was taking 1mm off, but I ended up taking 0.8 of a millimetre off the pin, and it's designed to go over this 24mm bolt, I think this is. To fit in here. And as you can see, it's a nice snug fit. Not too much free play or slop in between the pin and the thrust washer. No worries.